Yeah, I guess it will go in a vlog, like you say. We're surprising Sam for her birthday. 21st birthday, right? Yeah. I think she's here. Kimmy ran out. I don't know what to do. She said she just rushed. Can you check her location?
She's here. Hey, did the birthday girl say you could drink that? Sorry, don't pretend you're my second to last one.
Second to last?
Yeah, I'm my awesome one.
Who's your last?
You.
What?
You're my second to last one right now.
Second to last?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
You're high up on the list.
Thanks.
You're welcome. It's because I want to continue at graduation.
Yeah?
Just to try to memorize my wins, okay?
What is it?
I'll send you dimensions.
7? I feel like your hands are skinnier than mine.
I already danced your fingers. Yeah, you got man sausage.
She's here. Happy birthday! Happy birthday. Ready, Dustin? This is me before seeing my patients. This is me after seeing my first patient. I felt great. Was first to finish, and I'm out. Ooh, that was kind of fun. I learned a lot. Guys, there's this like animal. Do you guys hear that? But there's like an animal outside. Just like howling like a girl. Like a screaming girl. Man, why did this stop as soon as I record? I have realized that I've been really bad with vlogging this semester. It's just been a rough semester, so I just felt like I didn't have the energy to talk to a camera on top of all the school. But today, do you guys consider Sunday the beginning of the week or Monday the beginning of the week? I just don't know. But anyway, if you consider Sunday the beginning of the week, like I don't. I consider Monday as the beginning of the week. But I guess tomorrow, starting tomorrow, it will be my last week as a D2 fall. We're finishing up our semester. So basically this week we have a practical tomorrow, which is doing a all ceramic crown on number 8. And then, which I might go to campus today, later today, to practice on that and also finish up my denture lab stuff I have to do for that. Tuesday I'm seeing a patient. Oh, I do need to call my patient to confirm her appointment. Well, that will conclude my day for me. Basically, after that meeting, I went to bed and I went to school to drill a little bit, but I didn't really drill. I just took pictures. Yeah, and made stents, and then came home. I actually went to H Mart actually. Got some meat and salmon. Made shabu shabu over the stove. And then I'm up here. I've just been bed rotting. Just wanting to get the practical to be done and over with tomorrow. So this is me before all the exam this week, I guess. Well, I will see you guys tomorrow. Wish me luck. Good morning, guys. I kept snoozing. My first alarm came or went on at, let me see here, at 6:25, and then I officially got out of bed at 7:05. Yeah. The only thing is I just have to leave the house by 7:20, which isn't bad, but my hair is crazy. But yeah, so the way I get ready in the morning, I do double cleansing. I know I don't have any makeup on, but I use a oil-based cleanser. Banana Co. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. And then after I wash my face with that, I use any like gel cleansing or cleanser to do the deep cleaning, I guess. And then pretty much it for my face. Okay. I think I'm pretty much done here. I know I don't have time for this, but my face is gonna be pretty quick. This is literally honey. That's getting poured out. Milk and banana. I think I put too much, but it is what it is. That in there. Love this blender. It is 7:24 to get to work. I'll be there at 7:45, so I'm cutting it like pretty close. But 10 minutes before the exam, not too bad, because I can make my stents, and that's what I need to do. Because I looped my typodon yesterday, and the reason why we have to lube it is because when you do the provisional, because it's not an actual human being, it's all plastic and acrylic and all like plastic stuff. The acrylic or reciprocal will attach to the plastic teeth and everything. So, looped it up, but let me focus on driving. I'll talk to you guys later. It's saying that I'll arrive at 7:49, so I guess I'm running a little late. But it is what it is. Love being late. Let's see if I can beat the time though. Oh, 7:50 now. It is just getting longer and longer. But let me jam to my music here. Yeah, me too. You just have to deal with it. That's what he said. Dr. Peters.
Deal with it how?
Just deal with it.
What?
Yeah, just deal with it. You have to throw at it like. No. I think I might. Yeah. Like it's like almost. At my ortho appointment, getting new trays in and getting pictures done. It seems like he has the camera out. I have finished the day. I am rushing to my PT appointment right now, but we stayed a little longer because our ortho professor was going over the old exams. Wish I could stay for the whole thing, but I just can't with my appointment, so I'm gonna send him an email saying, oh my gosh, it's snowing. Oh my god, do you guys see that? Oh, it's snowing. Anyway, I'm gonna email him saying that, hey, I had to leave early for my PT appointment. Is there a chance I can schedule another office appointment with you to go over the exams? And that's what I'm gonna do. Oh my gosh. It's snowing, man. Woo! Okay. Oh. Why did I park my car so far today? It's so pretty. Look at that. Okay. Here at my car. Okay. Woo! My phone. Okay. Let's head out. Do I have my hotel? Okay. Look at how pretty it is. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. Just got home, but look at the snow. Do you see that? It's so pretty. Okay, well, I'm just gonna leave stuff in my car for now because Kevin will be over here soon and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna make myself some sashimi-gus. Okay. Here's a salmon. Doing 2 pieces because it's thick. Where the frick is my man? He said he'll be here in 5 minutes and it's been 10 minutes. I hope he didn't get into a car accident. Should I check him? Is everything okay?
What?
Is everything okay?
Yeah, I'm outside.
Oh, okay. Bye bye.
Can I park in the driveway?
Yeah, you can park where my dad parked. He won't be coming up.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye.
He's here. I think it's crazy that I'll be ending school or ending starting second semester or second year, first semester in 3 days. Easy. Okay, time to make the rice. Rice is mixing. Bruh. Literally, my man called me. Oh, as soon as I complain, he's here. Ha ha ha. We have a stranger in the house.
Stranger danger.
Hi. What is that? I wonder what it is.
Oh, I don't know. It's on your wish list.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The 3 thing I want?
Not all 3 even. Just one.
What did you eat for dinner?
I had In-N-Out.
Oh.
Or not In-N-Out. All second.
Smash burger?
Is that what that was?
What?
The one in Village. The right? Shake Shack.
Is it green?
Yeah.
It's Shake Shack.
Yeah. It's like by the Starbucks.
Oh. You went there without me?
Yeah. I really need to get some work done, so I want to eat burger.
Wow. But are you okay eating some of this?
Yeah.
Okay. You better be okay.
I always eat cooking.
Your future wifey is cooking with me.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah, she was asking me about everything.
We're being shopping. We're making it official. Hey, don't do that to me. Why are you so mean? Oh, guess what? So, I went to PT, right? And then, I was like, oh, I think I can jog now. And then she's like, oh, really? Are you sure? I'm like, yeah, sometimes when I'm in a rush to get to places at school, I sometimes just jog. And like, it hurts a little bit, but it's manageable. She's like, huh, really? Okay, let's do some stretches. And then you show me, okay? And I'm like, okay. And I showed her, she's like, oh, it's a lot better than I thought. Because you were telling me how you're like putting more weight on the other leg than the inner leg. And I expected more limping. But there wasn't that much limping. I was like, yeah.
Okay.
So and but she goes like, but I wouldn't jog on it as often.
Yeah.
Take it slow. I can't even do it because I have stuff in my hands. Butt poke.